Ring, 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 ring. Hello? This is me, KG, using the Capsule3 Pro Plus.
What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro Plus wireless earbuds. Now the SoundPEATS company was kind enough to send me a set of these for free to try out and give my honest review, so that's what I'm going to do on this product. This is one of their more up-to-date versions of their wireless earbuds with the latest technology inside it. This is the back side of the box and it has some information written on there, so I will read some of it off to you just so you have some basic information on these wireless earbuds. So the earbud technology is a 12mm dynamic driver unit with xMEMS micro speaker, a second generation amplifier chip. It has Bluetooth version 5.3. The frequency response range is 20 Hz to 40 kHz. The maximum working distance is 10 meters, and the estimated playtime on it is 6.5 hours on the earbuds and a total of 43 hours when you include the charging carrying case with it. It also comes with a hybrid active noise cancellation. So we will test out all these things and I'll give you my honest opinion on it once I test all this out. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the box now to see what's inside. So it slides open like this. And voila. This is the charging case. Comes like this out of the box. And then you got this little thing here to pull out. And it looks like it may have the instructions and any additional information inside. So these are the things coming out of here. So one of the first things you see is like some stickers over here, a SoundPEATS user guide, some information about the app you got to download, the Type-C charger, and here you can see some capsule cap covers for the wireless earbuds of varying sizes. So I guess you can flip them around or have some extra ones lying around in case the other ones wear out or aren't the right size for you. So now I'll slide this off and we'll just look at this. This is the actual case over here. It has a little slogan on there that says, "Hear your imagination." This is what the bottom looks like and this is what the back side looks like. And now when we open it up, this is what it looks like inside the case. The green light comes on over here and it looks pretty right out of the box here. I haven't even taken it out yet, but this is what it looks like. So straight out of the box, they look just like this. Quite fancy looking, really nice actually. Turn it around. The front. This is like a top view of it. So it has some microphones out the top. And if you look over here, this is where it tells you if it's left and right earbud. And this is the bottom. There's some sticky things I gotta take off of there. Like I said, it's fresh out the box, so I haven't taken anything apart yet. And like this. Let me take these sticky things off so you can see it without it. Okay, so with the sticky cover removed, you can see this is pretty much what the bottom looks like. So this is more or less exactly what it is. And it looks like it has a little microphone area at the bottom to speak into. So this is basically what the earbuds look like. I also think they look really pretty. That gold color on it really gives it some pop and makes it look fancy, I believe. Black and gold, yeah, it looks nice. Okay, I got my earbuds over here. I'm gonna try them on. First of all, I do have to say that they are quite light, very light, and they feel nice. And I like the little paddings on them. I've had other wireless earbuds without padding on them, and after a while they start hurting your ears. So the fact that these come with pads on them, I'm quite happy about that. So let me just put them into my ears just to see what it feels like. Okay. You can see it looks like this, plugged into my ears. Quite snug. I feel like it's covered my ears well and probably is good at blocking other sounds from coming in. And now that I took it off, I can hear better. So it actually closes in quite well. So in order to pair your phone up with the device, you just have to hold this button down here for 3 seconds and it starts flashing. And then you can pair it to your phone. Here it is connected to my phone now. It's at 100% battery, so that was straight out of the box. It came at 100% battery. And I haven't downloaded the app for it yet, but if you just connect directly to Bluetooth, you can start using it right away. I tried it. It plays music right off the bat. So without the app, you can just connect through Bluetooth and start using immediately. But I will download the app to give it a go. Okay, so I just downloaded the SoundPEATS app over here, and I'll just click it. And if you look, you have to actually log in and register, so I haven't done that yet. So I'll do it and test things out and let you know afterwards how it goes. In the meantime, I'm just going to give you some breakdowns over here. This is the page from the user's guide that tells you the app that you should be downloading, how you can use this and pair it at the beginning when you first get it. Right here are your default settings for your wireless earbuds, which you should be able to change later on in the app. Instructions on how to reset or pair your phone. Basically, it's the button at the bottom of your charging case. I think you hold it 3 seconds or so for the pairing, and you hold it for 10 seconds to reset the whole earbud. Then over here on this side, it will show you the proper way to wear your earbuds. And here it tells you the indicator light colors and what they mean on the charging case. There is also the ability to dual connect to 2 different devices simultaneously. So you can pair to one, disconnect from it, pair to the second one, and then turn the original one back on and it should pair back to it. And it tells you the LDAC does not work when you dual connect. So you can only use the LDAC when you're connected to a single device at a time. And LDAC basically gives you that fast connectivity without any lag. It's one of those modern technologies, so you kind of lose that if you dual connect, but you do have it if you do connect to only one. I personally have an Android phone, so the LDAC should work for me when I connect to my Android phone. And this last little section here shows you how to charge your earbud case. So right out the box, I did test these right away with just a regular Bluetooth connection. The sound quality on it is quite nice. So this is my 3rd set of wireless earbuds I've had. And out of the 3 that I have, this is definitely the most clear out of all of them. It has very clear bass sound, it has very clear treble sound, and very powerful. So you can hear it all very nicely. I would say the treble is extra powerful, and I would like to be able to control that through an equalizer, which hopefully I'll be able to do through the app. But right out of the box, just on its default settings that it has very clear and strong bass, and it has really clear and strong treble on it. I believe that's the xMEMS technology, which is a modern technology for earbuds. And I believe for SoundPEATS, this is the first set of earbuds that they have used this technology for. So right away, I can see the quality through it with this newer technology.
Ring, 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 ring. Hello? This is me, KG, using the Capsule3 Pro Plus. So how do I sound? This is the microphone from the Capsule3 Pro Plus, and hopefully it sounds pretty clear to you. This is probably what it would sound like during a phone call. And also I've tested out the distance. I can go across my whole apartment unit, which is a 1-bedroom apartment, and the sound quality doesn't die out. I'm away from my phone. Even if I'm listening to music, the same thing, it comes through great. I did also go outdoors and test out the noise cancellation. It does work up to a certain degree, but it also fits snug in your ears. So when it fits snug, it kills a lot of the sound right then and there. But anyways, this is the microphone. This is what it sounds like.
Okay, so now I've actually registered my SoundPEATS app, and I've used it and I've tested out my earbuds, and I'm coming back to you with some results of what I found. So when you look over here, you see my SoundPEATS app. This is my device here, which is the Capsule3 Pro Plus. When I click on it, it brings you into the app right here. And this is where you can scroll through and see the different functions on here. If you look right here, you can see the different noise cancellation settings. You have noise cancellation, normal, and transparent. After testing this out, I noticed that the normal mode actually turns off the equalizer, or it isn't as powerful and it doesn't work well. So to make sure your equalizers are working best, you should pick either the transparent or the noise control mode to get the best results. So over here you see the disabled touch button. I have it on right now, and that's for your earbuds. And I like that one if you're doing an activity, or maybe if you're lying down and you don't want to accidentally hit your buttons, you can turn that on. It's quite useful. You can turn it on and off as you need it. Your game mode for if you want to play games or watch videos. And then this is your personal button settings. So you can actually change them around the way you want based off how you want your touch buttons to work in your ears. And then on the bottom, there's a button here that takes you through to the different equalizer settings. And I have my own setting here. You have your main one up here, and you have a bunch that you can choose through in here. And you can expand it. You see you have a bunch of different equalizer settings. One more thing to be aware of, you have the 3 buttons at the top here. You can click on this and you can also update to the latest firmware if you want for the app. And if you look at mine, mine's updated to the latest one, but if not, you can download and update it. And it's as simple as that. So this app was really easy to install. I installed it. You have to register. The only thing you do to register is you put your email. You have to get them to send you a verification on there. You type it in, then you create a password, and that's it. And then this thing is up and running. So it's pretty easy to do. And it gives you a lot of extra functionality versus just getting a regular pair of earbuds that don't have an app like this that gives you so much control of your earbuds. So some things I really like about this earbud. First of all, with the different equalizer settings, you can set it to your exact liking with higher bass or higher treble, or you can adjust them as you want. You have the different automatic presets in there, so you can pick one that works best for you, or you have your own, creating your own equalizer settings, so you can actually adjust it exactly the way you like it. So I haven't seen that on any earbuds I've owned in the past. So that feature would make it more upscale for me compared to anything I've used in the past, and make it closer to a higher end version of earbuds. Now the xMEMS and the LDAC work very well. So there is minimum latency when you're watching videos. I've tried watching videos with this now, it works fine. I've tried making phone calls on here as well. So the phone calls work well. You can hear people on the other end, and the people on the other end can hear me as well, quite clearly, quite well. There hasn't been any issue with the microphone. If I had to give a rating to the sound quality of this with the xMEMS speaker, I would give it like a 9 out of 10. It has really clear sound. The bass is clear, the mids are clear, the highs are very clear. Everything comes super clear in here, and compared to anything else I've used so far, these are the clearest sounding earbuds I've had. So the reason I give it a 9 out of 10 is that the bass in there is super clear and super crisp, but I'm wondering if it could be a little bit more powerful. But maybe in these kind of earbuds, I don't know if it could be. It is pretty fantastic the way it is. I'm just leaving room for the possibility of something miraculous or something even greater, just in case that's possible. But maybe to get more bass, you may need a bigger set of speakers or a bigger headset. But for something of this side, these are excellent in sound quality. Now for a product like this, if you're looking for some name brand type products, they're probably going to run you a couple of $100 for something like this. In the United States, this one is priced at about $90, and you do get different coupons and breaks on the prices, and you can bring it down to about low 60s in US dollars. I live in Canada. It retails for around close to $140 here, and with the coupons and the discounts you can get on Amazon and online, you can drop it down to about $100, give or take. So for $100, you get a pretty high-end quality budget type earbud set. So this is like the high-end SoundPEATS brand earbuds. They do have cheaper ones online, different types, but this is their highest end one they currently have. So you're looking at the top of the line for SoundPEATS with the Capsule3 Pro Plus. So with everything I've just spoken to you about in regards to this set of earbuds, I would say it is a top quality product. Some other brands come with just a set equalizer that you cannot play with, or some come with maybe like 3 settings. You can set them between the 3 different settings, but this one gives you a bunch of settings and customization in how the sound quality comes out. I haven't really had an opportunity to fully test out how long the earbuds last, but each time I use them, I put them back in this case, and the case keeps recharging them, so I haven't had to recharge it yet, which is fantastic. So I'm waiting for it to go down, but so far so good. It's lasting, and I mean a 43-hour time with the case included gives you a long time between charges. So this is my review on the Capsule3 Pro Plus wireless earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.